My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so back, early review, semi-early. I mean, if it's not the actual release date, it is early. This shoe drops tomorrow. It is, what's today's date? Today is, I want to say the 11th or 12th of February. Let me see, 12th? Yes, it's the 12th. It's the 12th. February 12th. It is raining in California right now. It is raining. It is freezing cold. I am cold. But I got to give y'all these videos, man. I've been hitting y'all with banger after banger after banger. And I'm not going to stop right now just because it's a little bit cold. I got to get my car fixed, though, people. My car has been in the shop for the past 2 months. And I got to get my car. I got to get my car fixed. But anyway, like I said, early review. Anticipated shoe. I think the hype for this shoe fell down, like dropped off a little bit, because I thought it was gonna be limited, but I see that like a lot of my local shops are getting like a lot of pairs of them. So don't really think it's that limited no more. But I don't know. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all, this is my intro. Gonna give y'all the sneaker review. Then when I get home, when I'm warm, I'm gonna give y'all some information about the shoe. So like I said, this shoe do drop tomorrow, so this is a semi-early review, but stay tuned for that. Hope y'all enjoyed the review, and I will be back after that.
Okay. As you can see, we got the black Kobe box logo right there, signature under it. Nothing different about that. Scales on the box. Let's get to this label. Flip this over. Reads Kobe 6 Protro Sail Black Light Bone White, size 11. Not a personal pair, but I will be getting this shoe for myself. All right. So, just want to give y'all this early review for it. Like I said, it's not a personal pair. I am not a size 11, as y'all know from my other videos, but just wanted to make sure y'all got this review. So, all right, get these out. Set this back out, and without further ado, I'm not too sure if this is the exact name for these, but you know, when I get back to the house, I get a real name. So we got the Kobe 6 Protro Allstars. Boom. Okay, Kobe 6 Protro All-Star. Right off back, this is a beautiful shoe. I love it. Look at the stars right there. I love it. Kobe signature right there in back, and that light bone color. Move these little baggies out the way. The Nike swoosh. Look at the detail. Look at the stars on the Nike swoosh. I love this. I love the details in this. It does come with 2 laces, as you can see, some black laces and some white or some sail laces. Yeah, some sail laces. The white laces already in there. Kobe logo right there on the tongue. I like this bone color. I think that's the bone color, like a lavender, light purple. I like that. On the other side of the shoe, it's the normal Kobe scales. You can see that. So half of the shoe is the stars. The other half, is the scales, the snake scales. Got the Kobe logo on the bottom in black. Got that carbon fiber on the side and right there. Man, this is a beautiful shoe. I like the shoe. I love the stars. I like it, man. And I like that it's like an off-white color. I don't really like the gray on the back, but hey, it is what it is. What y'all think about the shoe? Is it a cop or drop for y'all? Definitely a cop for me. I will be getting my pair. This might be the thumbnail right here. I don't know. I like this. All right.
Okay. Finally home, and it's warm. Well, it's kind of warm in our place, but home. So now I can give y'all some real proper information about that shoe. I just got finished eating. I was always eating, so yeah. I actually been home for, like I said, I've been home for like probably like 20 minutes, but I wanted to eat first before I got into it. Do I got anything in my bed? That's them grays. I'm getting old. Look at them grays. Look at them grays right there. That boy getting old, man. Or am I getting wise? All right. Anyway, I got some information for y'all off of houseofheat.com. It'd be up right next to me. 3, 2, 1 right now, so you can read along with me if you want. All right, and these are called the Allstar 2.0s. So that's the exact name for these. They release February 13th, 2025, which is tomorrow. Suggested retail price is $190. Yeah, white sail, black, light bone, white, platinum, violet is the color. I think I told y'all that in the beginning, but all right. It's probably the worst kept secret in the sneaker community, but it's finally official. The Nike Kobe 6 All-Star 2.0 will be releasing in spring 2025. Spotted on the feet of several high-profile athletes across different sports, this colorway has stirred significantly excitement and speculation within the footwear world. Initially believed to be an exclusive play edition of the NBA star Paul George, the lore of this sneaker grew as Vanessa Bryant was seen wearing it on Mama Day. Furthermore, UConn basketball star Paige Bucketers, I don't know how to pronounce her name, brought this sneaker to the spotlight during her senior standoff, adding to the whispers of a possible wider release. Okay, I didn't know about none of this. It flaunts a clean sail with a black light bone, white, and platinum violet color scheme. A black swoosh beautifully contrasts the sail and white dominated upper, while the platinum violet lining adds just the right touch of color. The light bone details extended to the heels and midsole sections, with the remainder of the sole decked out in white. The big difference is the pair's starry pattern on the raised TPU upper that replaced the PE pairs spotted on athletes and Vanessa Bryant earlier this year. So that is a difference. I can't really see it in the picture with Vanessa. Can't really see it, but okay. So I guess it was a different. Set to hit stores February 13th for NBA All-Star Weekend 2025. The Kobe 6 All-Stars 2.0 sale will be available through Nike sneakers and selected retailers for $190. Keep your eyes locked on the official Twitter account. And there goes some more pictures. Boom. I love that. I love that light bone. That purple and violet color in the inside. I love that. This is a clean shoe. I'm not gonna lie. All right, this is a very, very clean shoe. Like one of the best Kobe's in my opinion that he has released in a while. I love this colorway. Definitely a cop for me. Definitely gonna get my pair, my size 9, because in Kobe's I do go up. Like I had something on me. I do go up a half size because they kind of snuggle up like that. I actually once upon a time I had a Kobe 9.5 and that fit me good. So what y'all think about the shoes? A copper drop? Is it worth the hype? What I was saying earlier in the video, I think the hype kind of died down because I thought it was supposed to be limited, but I heard the numbers that I'm hearing from multiple people is a lot of foots and Shoe Palace is getting a lot of them. So we will see. I'm pretty sure like because Kobe's not as hype as they used to be. You feel me? Because I think that they've been releasing so many GRs of them. I think this is probably considered GR too. So this is the All-Star Weekend shoe because this is All-Star Weekend coming up. Hey, this is a big week full of shoes. Like these drop, 2 pairs of KDs drop, 2 pairs of Jordans drop. They might do a shock drop for the flu games, which I do have a review that will be up. It might be up right now. If it is, go check that out. It's a lot of shoes. So if you're a sneakerhead, your bank account gonna be hurting it this week. So anyway, y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sticker Instagram, my main Instagram, all description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tunes, Kicks, and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.